illustrations the graphic life cycles of Wucheria and also its systematic positions. Wucheria has a haplonetic life cycles where the main thallus is haploid in where the main thallus is haploid in the zygote oospores is the only diploid to in a structure. Reproduction occurs through vegetative, asexual, and sexual means. And sexual means, sexual means, ठीक ना? Sexual means, sexual means, sexual means systematic positions of Wucheria. The classifications of Wucheria has been a subject of debate, but modern ethnologists place it in class of Xanthophysia due to its specific pigment compositions, chlorophyll A and E, and lack of chlorophyll B, and the storage of food as soils. The storage of foods of soils, not starch. Category and classifications. Category and class kingdom and chromista, and phylum divisions. Phylum division and Orthophyta, Xanthophysia giant, class Xanthophysia, order Wucheriales, and family Wucheriaceae, genus Wucheria. कैसे हले यहाँ से ना बदले graphic illustrations of the life cycles of Wucheria. The life cycles can be graphic illustrations to show the alterations between the dominant haplod stage and the dominant and the precedent diploid stage. ठीक है? As sexual reproductions. The haploid thallus ends. The main plant is the branch choanatic multinucleate as sepid and filaments. Zoosporangium formations in aquatic species under unfavorable conditions. In favorable conditions in a bit of a branch swells, branch swells and is cut off by a septums forming by a clove-shaped sporangium. Zoospore अब कागचित हल्ले cynozospore n formations, cynozospore to n formations. The entire plot of lies inside the zoosporangium contains a single large multinucleate multiflagellate zoospore cynozospore multiflagellates zoospore cynozospore. ठीक ना? इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं लिबरेशंस एंड जर्मिनेशंस. The zoospores liberated through a apical pore. The zoospore is liberated through a apical pore. Swims for a short periods, seedless, withdraws its flagella, germinations into a new haploids formations and haplonospore formations. Terrestrial species or those facing unfavorable conditions to non-motile haplonospores within an haplonosporangiums which later germinates into new filaments, ठीक ना, एकिनेट स्पोर्स under very under very under very dry conditions. The filaments breaks into a single cells single cells called akinets or hydrospores formed by the formed by the congruosphoria stage, which occurs can survive dormancy grows into a new thalli, and where uh, where conditions improve, ठीक ना, where conditions improve sexual reproductions, ogamous types uh, ogamous types ogamous types sexual reproduction ogamous types, ठीक ना, haploid nucleus in, ठीक ना. Ogamous is a ogamous sexual reproduction is ogamous involving male antheridia and female ozonia on the female on the same on the heterophilic and the on different heterophilic filaments. Antheridia and ozonia developments. Antheridia male sex organs and ozonia female sex organs are develops throughout growth into are cut off by a septa. इसके बाद फिर तीसरा में क्या से हले gamete formations हले ना. Gamete formations, the antheridia develops from a large singles non-motiles ovum or oospores in those क्या से हले the antheridia the ozonia ovum or oospores in the antheridia produce through a small biflagellate anthrozoids and the male gametes in. इसके बाद फिर चौथा में क्या से हले fertilizations. The antheridium release anthrozoids which swims to the ozonia enter through a receptive for beak हले ना. receptive for beak and receptive for beak. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं से receptive for beak. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं से receptive for beak हले ना. इसके बाद फिर क्या से हले zygote meiosis to n formations. The fusions of results in a dipole zygote to ends, ठीक ना. Result in a dipole zygote to n, ठीक ना. Dipole zygote to ends and which secretes a thick protective wall है ना. becomes the oospores becomes the oospores है ना. becomes the oospores. It is the difold only the it is only the difold zygote is in the life cycles. इसके बाद फिर क्या से है and meiosis and germinations हले ना. meiosis and germinations क्या से हले meiosis and germinations क्या हले meiosis and germinations. after a कैसे हले after a short period the oospores undergoes meiosis, the germination during the produce to a new haploid filaments and produce new haploid filaments and diploid filaments in completing the haplonetic life cycles. Answer complete.